How do you make money with a telehealth company? That's a very important question to ask. A lot of providers have a lot of different ideas when it comes to making money with these types of businesses. Typically, we see many providers walking into the space wanting to offer a cash-based business. Now, why would they want to have a cash-based business when insurance will, for the most part, reimburse? A lot of providers coming into the space do not want to deal with insurance providers. They don't want to deal with the headache. They don't want to deal with the regulations, which is very understandable. So that's the first model, a cash-based only business. The second model is offering services that are cash-based and offering services that might be insurance-based. Now, that is going to be very different. It's making sure that in that scenario, we're paying attention in detail to the insurance contracts that you're signing. A lot of providers stumble in this space because they don't want to let go of the lucrative insurance money, but they're not necessarily doing the right thing and following all the insurance regulations in order to offer cash-based services. And you might not think that that's a big issue, but if you're having anything to do with insurance, whether it's United or Medicare, there are a lot of regulations that you got to follow, and you got to make sure that you're in compliance with state and federal law. If you found value in this video, you'll find more value with meeting with us and our team to help you strategize your legal complex issue and resolve your issue. Reach out to us at dorismeet.com. So, if you're trying to start a healthcare business and you're interested in telehealth and you're trying to figure out the model, you've got two, cash or insurance. Both of them will be successful. There are a lot of regulations we've got to follow in order to get there. Let us help you get to success. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.